Good morning, Chicklets, and goodbye, Chicklets. We are leaving the Chicklets house. It is our last day in Vegas, and it has been a very chill, laid-back, relaxed day. We originally were thinking about doing something like going to the Strip, and like I really wanted to go on one of the roller coasters, like at New York or something, but kind of never happened. We just kind of relaxed and recuperated because yesterday's drive was horrible. I don't know if I told you guys, but the 4-hour drive from California ended up taking like 6 or 7 hours or something, and we didn't get home until after 10 o'clock. So the kids, it was a rough ride. We'll just say that much. It was a rough ride, but I'm excited and both sad to go home. It's always like that with me on vacations. It's like it's a bummer that it's over, but I'm ready to be sleeping in my own bed tonight. So, are you ready to go, kiddo?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you gonna miss Lacey?
Yeah.
Okay. I did not realize how close to the airport we were. Okay. All right, I'm gonna time you. Let's see those people down there with a stroller? I don't want you to touch them, but I want you to run down there and then back. Ready? Set? Go! This is what I do when I want to get out some energy, and we're gonna be sitting in a plane for the next 6 hours. And go! Go, 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 go. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Touch my hand. Touch my hand. Touch my hand. Oh, baby chick gave it everything she had. Nice work. You good? Your knees all right? You okay? You want to do it again? So parent hack. Here's what you want to do. Put your kids against each other in a race. Or even if you just have one kid, you time them. All right. On your marks. Get set. Go! Oh, baby chick wins. Come on, you got better than that. Oh, she got a head start. She got a head start. Such a cheater.
That was terrifying.
That was a good one.
I thought she was always
What a way to end this out.
sitting there that just comes to life.
Oh, that was a good one.
You got that, didn't you, Jamie?
Yeah. Everybody go follow Wade Martin.
We want to look that up.
That might be the most random billboard I've ever seen. It's just some dude in a super awkward pose with his Instagram, Twitter handle. It's really weird. But if you want to check out Wade Martin, let me know who he is. I'm hoping it's family friendly.
A few moments later.
So believe it or not, we are still in Vegas. This isn't Oregon for all of you guys. We come all the way down to like the driest place in the world, and it's pouring down rain.
It is.
And also, it's got thunder and lightning, so Ashley's really excited about flying right now.
Yeah, I don't know
Oh, I got a flash. I don't think I saw a bolt though. Vegas has zero drainage compared to Oregon. The streets are like flooded right now.
I guarantee you we're about to get some sort of flash flood warning on our phone.
All right, we have made it to the airport. We do not have as much time as I was hoping, but the Hagerts have graciously decided to help us take our baggage to baggage claim so the girls can have just that much more time together. And by girls, I mean Ashley and Christy. Run, pregnant lady, run!
I was trying to give a shot. I can't get Bye, guys.
Are you guys wrestling or giving hugs goodbye?
One last time.
See you later.
Where you going?
Bye-bye. Off all alone.
Where you going?
All right, we made it to the gates. I think we have plenty of time to get through security, and we should be good. thank you for hosting us this weekend.
Thank you for coming.
And I haven't said it yet, but if you guys don't know who the Haygoods are, go check them out. We'll put links down below. They're awesome people. You should definitely go check them out. All right, let's see these bags.
Ready to take them out.
Glasses. Oh, that's close.
What was it? Oh, your bag and hat.
Bag.
What does that mean?
You jumped in, you silly goose. One of my bags got stopped.
Because it's been raining.
Did you touch it? You see it touch it? Nice. Okay guys, so here's what's going on. I just learned that yesterday's vlog failed at about halfway uploading. It only uploaded about 5 minutes and it was over a 10-minute vlog, which is a bummer because it was Baby Chick's first time on an airplane. She got to check out the cockpit, do all sorts of cool buttons and stuff. And I spent a lot of time editing it because I wanted it to be something that we would remember. It was something I know for a fact that we would go back and watch again and again, and it failed. And here's the thing, since we're traveling, I delete all my files the next day to have room to edit for the following day's vlog. So I can't even go back and re-edit it. Those files are gone forever. So I'm sorry yesterday's vlog, or the couple days ago the vlog ended so abruptly, but that's what's going on. Anyways, we're hanging out in the San Francisco airport for about 3 hours until our flight takes off to go home to Portland. How are you doing? Good? All right, we're gonna keep spinning. Let's spin. It is the last flight of the trip, the last flight of the day. It's after 11, and we're not gonna get in till like, what, 1? Luckily, Baby Chick had a nap during the last flight. She slept for about an hour and a half, so you know we're better than nothing, but it's always scary keeping a toddler up until 1 in the morning. But you're happy about it, aren't you? You having fun?
Oh,
She is now chewing the tripod.
Probably fine.
Trust me, it's not always that cute. We finally made it home. That is hopefully our luggage is here, and then we get our car, and we actually get to sleep in our own bed tonight. Very excited about that fact.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up. Click that pumpkin. Hey there. Hey guys.